Hey there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to part 5 of the Lucy Top Tunic and Dress Sew Along. Today we're finishing it up. We are hemming the sleeves and we are hemming the bottom of our top tunic or dress. Finally, we're gonna put our fun little shirt, top tunic or dress on, and we're gonna head outside and we're gonna take some really fabulous photos because everybody wants to see the finished product. So let's get started. Okay, we're back for day 5 and we're gonna start with hemming our sleeves. Now what it has you do is fold the raw edge of the sleeve 1/4 inch to the wrong side and press, and then fold it another 3/8 of an inch and press. And then we're gonna top stitch using a stretch stitch, zigzag, twin needle, or cover stitch. Here we go. Okay, now let's go sew. All right, our sleeves are hemmed. Now I'm just going to press. Now we're on to hemming the bottom of our top or our tunic or our dress. All right, so let's trim anything, any sleeve or any strings we've got. And this is pretty simple. At this point, before you hem, it's highly recommended that you try your top tunic or dress on and make sure you like the fit. Check that your garment doesn't have any extra fabric bubbles and it flows over your body nicely. So before hemming, you can pinch out any extra fabric or whatever and re-sew the side seams, whatever you need to do to make it work just so. But you don't want to necessarily do that after you hem. You want to do that before you hem. So hemming is pretty easy. We're just going to fold the bottom edge up to the wrong side, 5/8 of an inch, press it, and then we're going to stitch it with either a stretch stitch, zigzag, twin needle, or cover stitch. So let's get on it. We have measured and folded and pressed and clipped all the way around. It's time to head to our cover stitch or our sewing machine and get this hemmed. We have hemmed. Let's press our top. Done there. Looks pretty fabulous. If you happen to see any random threads, go ahead and give them a trim. Now the only thing we have left to do is give the whole top a good press, but once you finish that, if you've done the loops and you plan on doing the tie, it's time to contend with that. Now you could tie it however you want. You can start down here and then it ties up here, or you start here and it ties down here. I'm going to start at the top. So we've got this. Now we are going to crisscross it. I don't know if you can tell, but my tie is extremely long. Just way too long. I'm gonna have to cut a ton off, which is okay because I wasn't sure. I hadn't done a tie on the adult version yet, and I wanted to make sure I had enough. So it's fine that that it's super long. Now I'm going to locate my scissors. Where did I put those? Oh, I'm gonna trim it some. And I'll probably draw these in a little bit more once I put it on her, but you're just going to tie it however you like. And voila, you are done. It's so cute. And here are my final photos. Thank you so much for joining me on this month's Sew Along. The Lucy top, tunic, and dress really is a fabulous addition to anyone's wardrobe. It's a fun, easy, fast make, and I know if you choose to make it again, you'll enjoy it as much the second time as you did the first. And I will see you next time. Bye.